This goes to the Roadrunner Pro 66 volt battery, fully charged. This goes to the Roger charger. And when I want to use the less fast charger, I'll use this plug. So this is one of the chargers I'll be using. This is 6.5 amps at 66 volts, 66.4 volts output. But that is more powerful than the original charger that was almost half that power at 3.5 amps output. So I don't need to charge that slow. That's a good charger just for when I don't have to charge quickly, and then I can use the Roger charger when I have to charge faster. This plug will allow that.